To activate your BMO debit card, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have received your debit card and the accompanying documents, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, visit the BMO website and log in to your online banking account. If you do not have an online banking account, you can register for one on the website. Once logged in, navigate to the debit card activation page and enter your card number, expiration date, and security code as requested. Alternatively, you can activate your debit card through the BMO mobile banking app. Download and install the app, then log into your account. Select the debit card activation option and follow the prompts to enter your card details. You can also activate your debit card by calling the BMO customer service phone number. This number can be found on the back of your debit card or on the BMO website. When you call, be prepared to provide your card number, expiration date, and security code, as well as some personal identification information to verify your identity. After activating your debit card, be sure to sign the back of the card and select a personal identification number or PIN. This will help secure your account and prevent unauthorized use of your card. It is also important to review and understand the terms and conditions of your debit card, including any applicable fees, transaction limits, and interest rates. By following these steps and taking the time to understand your debit card, you can ensure a safe and convenient banking experience.